stand a chance to win a trip for two to Spain to watch Real Madrid live in action with @Nivea Man SA. Buy any Nivea Man deep product and enter *120 *607 hash to stand a chance. You can explore the sights of Madrid. You will have a training session at the Real Madrid training ground and a tour to the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Terms and conditions apply. The commercial competition starts from the 1st of March to the 30th of April 2023. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 0. DStv Premiership on a Tuesday evening. Very tactical game, very difficult chess match. Well done to Cape Town City for making it difficult. At least Mamelodi Sundowns could have scored any time in that game, but ended in 0-0 in the end. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Justice. Ever faith to keep on supporting it, TV fighting no one who try to fix South African football.
Yeah, they should have scored goals today. They should have given us goals today.
Yeah, but truly speaking, going to the game, watching the game, I think Urulane was tested. Urulane was tested by Eric Tinkler. Tinkler allows the ball. Tactical spot on from Eric Tinkler. Homework with Shayile. He makes sure that central in Kulmang pocket is not going to allow my pocket. Because I'm a pocket, I think he like damage back on. If you allow him to have the ball and pass you more direct, deep pass. Allow him to do That's where the problem comes. Because he just lay the ball. And then Shalil face the ball, you finish. Mangasu Shalil my lula. Truly speaking, Eric Tinkler, lentenza umkwena this side benza umkeke this side Cape Town City just when coach bekadlala 43 Eric Tinkler make it very difficult because abantu abayi-3 up front beboma in between i-Sundowns bengakwazi ukuqala ibhola at the back in the middle made it bekunzima kakhulu ukubona uneo now alende gemina namhlanje even Mshishi as well was quiet. We need to be honest. I think iyo nginto omoyika kuyenzile ngoba i-Sundowns we know if Mshishi is going to be on song uzoba more involved Mayema alende there's a problem kuleko and coach I think imkhiphe inokuthi yenze sub ngikhuluma ngayo Rulane Mkwena. Sometimes we don't have to be predictable. He's supposed to take out Lomchitu Shalile today early, maybe second half. I know munye umuntu uzothi Shalile you can't watholile ama chance. Sometimes he was wasteful. Lentwana le ekhiphile beyizana plan and beyithi my if asha attend umfana bekasha target i-target bekayithola Shalile umiste i-6 area tipolele phezulu i-chance bekumele ngabe uyifinishile. Today I think it was fast asleep bekalela umjita today bengikhalela utho ngithi player likatho lingene uyini namhlanje. And another thing i-team kaThinka tactical in terms of defense ne midfield spot on because beba complementana but up front Mayo ulomjita Gonzalez and this guy udlala up front is central not complementing midfield net defense because in terms of tactical look defender they did very well. Maripola male phambili decision making is wrong. They couldn't find a combination but lala too wide amongst each other. Mayule nalomchithi Gonzalez nalengwenye dlala more central here and then abomkeke bala in the middle nabo notata iba difficult kakhulu and i-Sundowns into baby into ebayenza ukuthi i-Sundowns ingakhona ukuthi mhlambe ifike epalini layo ngisho ukuthi i-Sundowns bepalini eCape Town City imidlalo yabo beyi-compact unotata was near to umkeke and beyiba difficult kakhulu nemo umobara central nalabathi abadlala ngikhuluma ngomkhize ngapha and nofan Hirden they came bavala i-ground beyiba nzima kakhulu. If i-ground bebalivula I think beyizoba simple ukuthi i-Sundowns icore. It's how they score central because indaba ya wide kuba option yokugcina for bona they believe ukuthi mele se central ngama pocket and ibe difficult. Umniba today went forward angena phakathi. I think beyibanzima nkululeko ngoba sometimes I think ukuthi ni angene phakathi uRulane mele check ama game opposition adlala na stay wide ukuthi kuze kube ne width. Siyazi ukuthi noma ngaba uyanga width indlala mo central we know umnike kube option yokugcina mhlambe abuyisiswe pass ohamba iscorrel. If ungena phakathi baba compact kanje because umndawo yena first half didn't go because of Gonzalez ne speed and ibanzima just uRulane njengoba ngisho ngithi utholi coach smart njengaye analyzile exactly yazile ukuthi uzozama central in the middle yaqolisa midfield yabo they were compact quite difficult. White, they can't go Sundowns.
Okay.
They don't believe in crosses or square passes.
Yeah, the game was 0-0, so we're not going to dwell too much on the game, but it is a moment. Sundowns have won the league with 7 matches to go, 6 league titles in a row. Just talk about Sundowns, their achievement. It's a great achievement. Yeah, you win 6 leagues in a row. That's never happened before in our history, and there's 7 matches left. Next season, they're even going to win, and the season after that. But focus on this season. What, if you can remember, just look back, what did they do right to win the league this season?
Yeah, compliment to the chairman. I think compliment to the chairman. I've never ever had any complaint. Everyone at Lorcop, Sundowns, by playing these quality players. As Ushilo, if somebody's got a finance and is using with proper players, without the finance, I'm sure I'm going to bring it. Ronan Williams as well. Right, but Mali and knowledge. Compliment to the chairman.
You still have to buy the right player.
Thank you. Compliment for appointing abantu abanjengabote komlisi babe part of his structure Tiani Mabunda. Shombo Kekana. As from Nyandoro, be part of those.
Surprise Morales. Coach.
We understand. Chan Malomo Dichaba they are there. Behind in Kuma, I think it's about 16 weeks Kuma so knowledge with football, money, finance with the knowledge. It's Kuma Dalili. And definitely sure, you like it or not. Labantes Kuma Babe involved go football my brother. And be appointing Opitom Siman. Where abantu bayikholwa mhlamba ama supporters under truly speaking, he has laid the foundation. He's the one who laid the foundation. They used to bring coaches with buying high profile players. He created players asadlala today. Abomkhulis is because of him. Abomdiba balethe uwira. So i-foundation ecreatile nalabo abathathe kuye uPeter Msimane compliment ukuba nekuthi bayenze continuous ngikhuluma ngabo bonqoba mnqithi abo Steve Kompela na uRulani Mkwena and by coach ukuthi I think into abayenze right today after the game le ukuthi badliwe 3-0 Pirates bring uRulani Mkwena. I think they did a great.
That was the best decision.
Yeah, you know why? Energetic team, discipline.
You start to see that they're playing with a different tempo.
Look at today. Knowing Sundowns previously, but we needed they couldn't bang a battle in the starting 11. So it doesn't want to take risk. And definitely sure that's why today is spot on. We cannot say they already won the league. But charges it now. Yes, T12, but they wanted to win this game. So Team Galo, energetic, discipline, tactically spot on, give these youngsters chance. 16 years, and not just ordinary players, and then players who come by 80 value, and whoever who's doing well is playing. So I equal obvious team. So compliment and the Muntulo actually like nobody's business. So Nkulego compliment to chairman, everybody, admin, or participator and players. We need to be honest. Players who sometimes they deserve a round of applause because a team without players is nothing. Labafana bomailula, labafika manje. I compliment you, Mfana. For me, it's a play of the season, and the Sundowns na good DStv Premiership, and utizever nalama player numshishi ngati youngster. So and the international players they brought here something else. Mkwena figure clicker like it have. Lomfano Ronan Williams. Sundowns itself is like njoba ngisho ipodi without inyawo. Angeke function inyawo nazo zifuna ukuthi kumele kube nekhanda lifuna amehlo so yonke iphathi ya function la ngoba imoto izihambe smoothly mhlawumbe kusuka la kweDurban ingaphizi khohlela elibe neoil amanzi petrol amatayera pompe kahle balance wheel alignment service so compliment to everyone the chairman ukwapoint up abantu abane knowledge and nayi financial ukuthi ayisebenzise ngendlela egreen compliment ene next season kuleko masingaqala season ungibuze again
it's the easiest prediction anyone can ever make. It's like they don't even give you money. Good betting abasakunika imali ma predict ukuthi Sundowns will win. It's the easiest prediction.
What I love about them, if you win the periodic league, they don't just rush and buy. No, they wait. It was a philosophy. Philosophy is gonna suit. Philosophy age is how old is he? He was also about another 5 or 6 years. So in the right compliment to them. Yeah, so Sundowns next season mina mangangibuza iqala ngizokubrief ukuthi yophelela ku number 1.
All right, there you go. Well done. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. It's 6 titles in a row, of course. In politics, they usually say there's a likhutla. In politics, they call a likhutla. I remember when I was in Safa, Cape Town, as a secretary of Inyanga Football Association. When I was a kid, I was 22, 23 years old. We used to have a likhutla. It means everyone must go to the same place. Let's decide to buy So next season, I think at some point, all of these teams need to have a likhutla. Go to one place in the bush for 4 days, find a way to stop the Sundowns. Of course, you're not going to be able to do it, but maybe try. Gavin Hunt and Eric Tinkler showed glimpses of what you can do, how you can play against them. In the Bundesliga against Bayern Munich, all teams play the same. They still lose, but they play the same. They try to be very difficult. They take yellow cards and red cards. They are very hostile. The fans, every time the ball is touched by a Bayern Munich player, they boo them. Even with the PSG as well, I watch some of their games. They take pride in beating PSG, all of the teams in France. Even though most of the time they're going to lose, but it's a pride thing to say that team is so good that if we get a point from them, it's almost like a victory. Go to Elikhutla, Xoxani amongst yourselves, find out how you can beat this team. It is Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.